Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of electrical machines, I am going to discuss about numerical on efficiency and regulation of transformer. So I will discuss two numerical on efficiency and two numericals on regulation, how to find it. Okay. So this is the first problem we have, a 20 kVA, that is the rating we have given, 20 kVA. This is the voltage, primary voltage is 3300 volt and secondary is 220 volt, right? 50 Hz single phase transformer has iron loss PC. Iron loss PC is given 200 watt, and we know iron loss will always be constant at all loads, right? And copper loss at full load. Full load copper loss is given 400 watt, right? Find the efficiency of the transformer at half load at 0.8 power factor. So if we have to find first answer, efficiency at half load at 0.8 power factor lagging. Okay. Okay. So efficiency is equal to what? Output V2 I2 cos phi 2 upon output V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus core loss plus copper loss into 100. So this is the formula we have. This is the volt ampere rating at full load. It is given 20,000 volt ampere. 20 kVA means 20,000. Kilo means kilo. So 20 into 1000. So 20,000 kilovolt ampere. This is in volt ampere. Power factor दिया है. We have to find the efficiency at 0.8. So multiply by 0.8. We have to convert into watts. Why we have to convert into watts? Because this will be in watts. Clear? Upon 20,000 output into 0.8. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका, ये फुल लोड पे हो जाएगा अगर आपको फुल लोड पे निकालना है. बट आई हैव गिवन फाइंड द एफिशिएंसी एट हाफ लोड. फुल लोड पे होता तो यू कैन डू लाइक दिस. प्लस व्हाट, आयरन लॉस कितना है 200 वाट, प्लस कॉपर लॉस कितना दिया है 400 वाट, multiply by 100. So this is at full load. At full load. अगर आपको ऐसा दिया है find the efficiency at full load, you can use this formula. Clear? तो आप चाहो तो इसको ऐसा कर सकते हो, 16,000 upon this 16,000 plus 600 into 100. So in this way you can find the efficiency at full load. Efficiency at full load. नहीं दिया फिर भी I am going to find it. It is not required, but you must know how to find it. So you will get 16,000 divided by 16,600. I am getting 96.38%. 96.38%. But that is, they have asked find the efficiency at half load. At same power factor 0.8. So at half load this will not be 20,000, it will be 8,000. So sorry, 10,000. This will be 10,000. So at half load 0.5 into this to 20,000 into 0.8. Power factor will not become half, it will be nature hai, it will be same. At 0.5 half load into 20,000, full load का है ये, into 0.8 plus core loss is known as constant loss 200 for all loads. At no load, full load, half load, whatever there, it is same. But copper loss will change with the square of current. At half load, current will become half. So current will become half. So current copper loss will change with the square of current. Is it clear? So at half load, copper loss will not become half, it will be 1/4, because at half load current will become half, और current half होगा तो copper loss क्या होगा, will change with the square of current. So it is this one into 100. So you can say this is 8,000 upon this will become 8,000 plus 200 plus 100, 8,300 into 100. So you will get 8,000 upon 8,300. So I will get, I think it is same, nearly same. So 8,000 I think it is same, 96.38 percentage, right? Okay. Now they are also asked find the maximum efficiency. So first, before finding the maximum efficiency, you must know the load at which maximum efficiency occurs. What is the load at which maximum efficiency occurs? So it is what? So it is equal to what? Full load kVA rating, under root of iron loss upon full load copper loss. This is the formula we have, right? So full load kVA rating कितना है in kVA, load at which maximum efficiency occurs in say kVA, kVA में निकालेंगे तो this will also be in kVA, 20 kVA into iron loss कितना है 200 upon full load copper loss कितना है 400. So right, so 1 by 2 का अंडर रूट लेंगे, so it is 1 by root 2, so it is 14.14 kVA. I will get it, right? So this is the load at which maximum efficiency occurs. Now maximum efficiency equal to what? That is the load at which maximum efficiency occurs, 14.14 into 1000. So volt ampere आ जाएगा, multiply by same power factor 0.8 upon 14.14 into 1000. Sorry, 1000. That is what? 14,140 into 0.8 plus iron loss कितना है 200. It will always be constant at any load. And copper loss, what is the condition of maximum efficiency? Same. Copper loss will also become equal to the iron loss. That is the condition. Clear? Into 100. So ये तो सबको मालूम है, but याद रखना ये भी निकालना है. Without this you can't get the maximum efficiency. Don't take 20,000 here. So equal to, if you use it, equal to, I will get more than that. It should be more than, because it is a maximum efficiency. So I am going to use the calculator. I am getting 96.58%. That is the answer I am getting. Okay. So in this way you can solve the problem. Clear? So I have calculated efficiency at full load, half load and maximum efficiency, right? Sorry. Second problem I have given, a 50 kVA rating of transformer I have given, efficiency of 97.466% at full load, at unity power factor load, and efficiency of 97.276% at half load at unity power factor. Find the iron loss and copper loss. So assume iron loss equal to X and full load copper loss equal to, let us say, Y. So I have assumed iron loss is equal to X and full load copper loss equal to Y. So efficiency at full load is given कितना point 0.97466, that is given efficiency at full load 97.466% मतलब 9.97466 इक्वल टू व्हाट फुल लोड पे कितना हो जाएगा 50,000, दैट इज द फुल लोड केवीए रेटिंग 50,000. पावर फैक्टर कितना है 1, आउटपुट अपॉन आउटपुट प्लस आयरन लॉस क्या है x प्लस full load copper loss y. So I got it, and no need of multiplication by 100 because I am not going to write 97.466. Okay, so if you go here, so you will get point, if you solve it, this is the equation number 1, so you will get 0.9746 plus 0.97466 y plus 50 into 0.97466, so 50,000 into 0.97466, I am getting 48733 plus 48733 इक्वल टू यहाँ क्या बचेगा दिस 50,000. सो ये उधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, तो कितना हो जाएगा 0.97466 कॉमन ले लिया x प्लस y इक्वल टू दिस, वहां जाएगा तो माइनस, सो 50,000 माइनस व्हाट 48733, so I am getting 1267. So what is the value of x plus y? X plus y equal to this upon 1267 upon this divided by 0.97466. I am getting 1299. 1299 means 1300. Equation number 1 I am getting. I got it. X plus y equal to 1300. I got it. This equation. Iron loss plus full load copper loss is this. Right? Similarly, I have given one more because we have two unknowns. So two equations will be required. So second is given efficiency at this at half load. So at efficiency at half load कितना दिया है 0.97276. 97.276 मतलब 0.97276 equal to what? This is 25,000 हो जाएगा, हाफ लोड पे हाफ हो जाएगा 25,000 इंटू पावर फैक्टर कितना दिया है, इट इज 1 अगेन यूनिटी इंटू 1 अपॉन 25,000 into 1 plus x, iron loss will not change but y will become y by 4. y is what? Copper loss, full load copper loss, half load पे half होगा कि 1/4, 1/4, so it is 0.25 y. Is it clear? Copper loss, iron loss will not change, iron loss will be same at any load, but copper loss will become at half load, it will become half square. ओके, सो ये यहाँ ले जाएंगे तो क्या आएगा 0.97276 इंटू एक्स प्लस 0.25 y, राइट ना, ये कॉमन ले लिया, सो दिस x प्लस दिस इंटू दिस कितना होगा जस्ट हियर इक्वल टू व्हाट 0.97276 into 25,000. I am getting 24,319 equal to 25,000. So x plus ये उधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो गया और यहाँ जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So you will get x plus 0.25 y इक्वल टू, आर यू गेटिंग इट, ये उधर जाएगा पहले तो क्या होगा माइनस, सो कितना 25,000 माइनस 24,319, आई एम गेटिंग 681, यहाँ कितना है 0.97276. So what is the value of x plus 0.25 y equal to 681 divided by 0.97276. I am getting 700. Question number 2. So I got x plus y equal to this, x plus 0.25 y equal to this. So if you solve these two equation by using simultaneous equation method or by using classical method, whatever you want. Clear? So 1 minus 2 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 करेंगे तो x will be cancelled, this will be what 0.75 y ना, 1 minus 2 x will be cancelled y minus 0.25 मतलब 0.75 y equal to कितना आएगा 1300 minus 700 कितना आएगा 600, right ना. So from here y equal to what 600 divided by what 0.75, I am getting 800 watt. इसका मतलब क्या है full load copper loss equal to what 800 watt. So if you put the y here, so you will get x equal to what 1300 minus 800 कितना बचेगा 500 ना, क्या आएगा ये iron loss. So in this way you will get iron loss and copper loss. We have two equations, two unknown. It is very simple concept we have. Clear? So I have taken this problem. Now I am taking two numerical based on the regulation. So please be careful about it. If your concept is clear, you are operating your calculator properly, you will get the result. And I want to tell you one more thing. Don't solve these problems blindly. Just try to understand. You will get so many things. You will get idea कि भाई at for power transformer कौन सा ट्रांसफार्मर 50 kVA का है तो कौन सा ट्रांसफार्मर है पावर ट्रांसफार्मर है, क्लियर ना, और वोल्टेज रेटिंग भी ज्यादा रहती है, तो ये पावर ट्रांसफार्मर. इफिशियंसी कितनी फुल लोड पे 97.276 97.466. इसका मतलब है जनरली इन केस ऑफ पावर ट्रांसफार्मर efficiency will be more than 95%. This is the question examiner can ask in MCQs. Okay. Now next problem I am going to discuss. Third, a 20 kVA. Clear? So you can say 20 kVA transformer I have given. Sorry. So I have given 20 kVA. This is the voltage rating I have given. This is primary voltage. This is secondary voltage. So K equal to क्या होता है V2 upon E1 equal to कितना है V2 500 upon 2500, right? So you will get K equal to 0.2. This is the required things. Now I have given R1 8 ohm, R2 0.3 ohm, X1 17 ohm, X2 0.7 ohm. They have given these values. Find the voltage regulation at full load for power factor 0.8 lagging. So you know the formula. Voltage regulation क्या होता है? Percentage regulation equal to what? I2 R02 cos phi plus or minus X02 sin phi. divided by E2. That is E2 means I'm assuming E2 equal to V2 equal to K, right? So E2 equal to कितना है 2500, sorry E2 equal to 500 volt. चलो, so first of all we will find the I2. This is required, I2 at full load. I2 at full load. I have given find the regulation at full load. So I2 at full load क्या होगा? Okay, we know power rating is given, क्या है 20,000. ये 20,000 क्या है 20 kVA means 20,000, that is V2 I2. If you divide it by I2, if you divide by I2, if you divide by V2, V2 कितना है say 500. So you will get I2. I2 कितना आ रहा है full load पे 40 ampere. So in this way we can find the currents at full load, half load, whatever there. Half load पे कितना हो जाएगा 20 ampere. Current will become half. Okay. So in this way we have given find the regulation at full load. पहले आपको full load current निकालना है. Now formula में R02 will be required. So R02 is what? R2 plus R1 dash primary resistance referred to secondary equal to कितना है R2 कितना है 0.3, राइट, प्लस R1 कितना है 8, और अगर सेकेंडरी साइड में जा रहा है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई के स्क्वायर. यस, ये करेक्ट ना. अगर सेकेंडरी से प्राइमरी में आ रहा है तो मल्टी डिवाइड बाई के स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ के कितना 0.2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 0.2 का स्क्वायर. It is very simple calculation. If your concept is clear, you can get answers very fast. So it is what 8 into 0.04. So you will get 8 into 0.04 plus 0.3. So I am getting 0.62. I am getting R02. I am getting R02. कितना आ रहा है R02 0.62. Similarly X02 equivalent reactance on secondary side. X02 क्या होगा X2 plus X1 dash primary reactance referred to secondary. X2 कितना है? What is the value of X2? 0.7 plus X1 कितना है? X1 17 ohm. X1 is 17 ohm. So 17 और सेकेंडरी साइड में रेफर करोगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई के स्क्वायर 0.2 का स्क्वायर. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट 0.04 0.2 का स्क्वायर 0.04 into 17 plus 0.7. So I am getting 1.38. I am getting 1.38 ohm. That is the answer I am getting. X02. Now regulation, percentage regulation for lagging power factor. I have given part 1 lagging power factor 0.8. Okay, so क्या आएगा I2 कितना है 40 in bracket. R02 I got 0.62. cos phi कितना है 0.8 प्लस X02 कितना है 1.38. cos phi 0.8 है तो sin phi you can find. cos phi दिया है 0.8, so phi निकाल लो. cos of inverse 0.8 जो भी आएगा you will get 36.86 degree, right. then sin phi क्या आएगा sin 36.86. if you use it you will get 0.6. So 0.8 और 0.6, 0.8 है तो 0.6, 0.6 है तो 0.8, 0.45 है तो 0.45 ही रहेगा. सॉरी पॉइंट. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. सो ये जनरली 0.8 दिया रहता है, 8 दिया रहता है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा sin 5.6. ये इसके लिए कुछ याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो यू विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100 अपॉन व्हाट दिस इज द वोल्टेज ड्रॉप डिवाइडेड बाई V2. E2 कितना है? E2 कितना है? E2 is what? 500. देखो ये approximately 500. Okay, so you can do it. So I'm going to solve it. Just I'm going to use it. 0.62 into 0.8. I'm getting 40.496 plus 1.38 into zero point 0.6. I'm getting 0.828. 0.828 equal to plus 0.496 equal to multiply by 40 equal to divided by 500 multiply by 100. So percentage आ जाएगा, right? So if you multiply by 100, so I'm getting 10.59%. प्लीज बी केयरफुल, दिस इज मोर देन द रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू. ये कहाँ तक परमिसिबल है अपने इन इंडियन एनवायरनमेंट? इट इज प्लस माइनस 5%, प्लस 5%, बट इट इज वेरी हाई. इसका मतलब है वोल्टेज ड्रॉप इज मोर इन द ट्रांसफार्मर, इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन दैट. सो इसका मतलब ये जो वाइंडिंग रेजिस्टेंस रिएक्टेंस ज्यादा है, ये बहुत ज्यादा है. देखो आप, ये भी ज्यादा है. दिस वैल्यू 8 and 17 ohm is not permissible. Clear? It is very less. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो ये जो वैल्यू दी है बहुत ज्यादा दे दी, इसके कारण ये रेगुलेशन ज्यादा आ गई. अगर ये वैल्यूज कम होती, इसका मतलब आपको क्या करना है? इसको कम करने के लिए क्या करना है? रेजिस्टेंस को कम करना है. रेजिस्टेंस को कम करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? यू हैव टू यूज थिक कंडक्टर. ओके, सो दैट इज द वे. एनीवे, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट वन, बट इट इज नॉट परमिसिबल. सेकेंड, आई हैव गिवन परसेंटेज रेगुलेशन फॉर लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर एंड पावर फैक्टर इज गिवन सेम. सो क्या होगा? लीडिंग में यहाँ माइनस आ जाता है, तो सेम आंसर है इक्वल टू 40. दिस इज 0.62 into 0.8 minus 1.38 into 0.6 upon 500 into 100. So यहाँ पर भी माइनस आएगा. You can do it. I'm just using that calculation directly. I'm going to do it. So I'm getting 0.828 minus 0.496 this into 40 equal divided by 500. So I'm getting into 100. Okay, into 100, this 100, this 100. Okay, so I'm getting minus because this is higher value. This is higher value ना, यहाँ माइनस आएगा ना, यहाँ माइनस आएगा. दिस इज हायर देन दिस, योर नेगेटिव विल गेट minus 2.65%. याद रखना, in case of leading power factor, regulation may be negative. That is the, you can understand, examiner may ask. Okay, so minus 2.65%. Okay, so this is the question answer. I am getting it. Okay, one more question, last question I am going to discuss. So please see here. I had tried to discuss all types of problem. Okay, so you can read much more if you want. If you write me in future, I will solve few more problems, more and more problems I will add in our presentation. But at present I am taking two numerical on efficiency and two numerical on regulation. So I am going to discuss one more problem on regulation. Okay, right. This is the question I have given. Determine the percentage regulation of transformer whose ohmic drop कितना दिया? 1.5% और reactance drop 5%, right? At 0.8 power factor lagging they are asking. What is the formula? Percentage regulation equal to what? I2 R02 cos phi प्लस ये मैं I2 X02 sin phi upon E2 into 100. So this is the percentage regulation at lagging power factor. Leading होता तो minus आता है, right? So in place of that, I am writing I2 R02 upon E2 into 100. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना? I2 R02 upon E2 into 100 प्लस यहाँ क्या आएगा? I2 X02 upon E2 into 100 into sin phi 2. You can write. Now this part is given directly. This part, sorry, something is wrong. Into cos phi 2 है यहाँ पर प्लस ये cos phi 2. This part is given. जिसको बोलते हैं ohmic drop 1.5% is given. 1.5 directly you can write. इसको एक चीज और बोलते हैं पर यूनिट वैल्यू. पर यूनिट वैल्यू दिया रहती इधर 1.5. क्लियर? परसेंटेज में है तो 1.5, नहीं है तो मान लो 0.015 दिया है तो इतना दिया है. ये 100 यहाँ बाद में करना है. ओके, सो एनीवे दिस इज डायरेक्टली गिवन. ओहमिक ड्रॉप या यू कैन से पर यूनिट वैल्यू इज गिवन 1.5. cos phi कितना दिया? 0.8. दिस इज गिवन 0.8 cos phi प्लस this value I2 X02 upon E2 into 100 is given 5% plus 5. Directly you can use sin phi कितना आएगा? अगर ये 0.5 हो तो ये 0.6 आ गया आंसर directly. So that's why I am taking this problem here. Okay, so एक problem sufficient to understand it. पर यूनिट वैल्यू दिया रहेगा ये, या फिर क्या दिया रहेगा? ओमिक ड्रॉप एंड रिएक्टेंस ड्रॉप. सो कितना आएगा? 1.2 और ये आएगा प्लस 3 इक्वल टू व्हाट? 4.2%. दैट इज द रेगुलेशन. क्लियर ना? सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट. समटाइम्स एग्जामिनर में आस्क लाइक दैट आल्सो. एंड ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन गेट में या एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, आईएएस एग्जामिनेशन, दे आर आस्किंग सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. Without doing anything, directly you can get the answer. Okay, it will not require even the calculator also. So clear? So I am stopping here only. Okay, and if you want, if you write me later on, okay, so we will solve few more problems related with the regulation and efficiency and other problems also. But I have taken all, I have tried to clear your concept in all the way. Okay, so I am stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.